Good morning, teacher and classmate. My name is Lisa Riascos, and this time I will talk about human activity influencing environment. And so, to start, something that we can be clear about from our day to day is that through our lifetime, we pollute the environment more than we can imagine. Although sometimes they are actions that are apparently harmless, such as throwing a plastic bag on the ground, because taking into account of the human inhabit of the planet, if we all throw a plastic bag on the ground, it translates into millions of plastic on the ground and the earth. And we can also think about the pollution generated by all the industrial process that occur throughout the world and the high level of the cost to the rims that we have. Definitely, our ways of life is harmful to the environment, and it's in the hands of the human being to be able to change it. And for example, as a hat that about handling of waste gas um, serious problems to the environment because when the garbage decomposes, it emits toxic gases into the atmosphere. Its incorrect storage pollutes the soil, causing loss to fertility. It's also very common to go to the mountains, above all to the beach, and find cigarettes butts laying on the sand. And the big problem with this is that, in the end, they end up in the river and in the sea, or throw the batteries in the trash. They certain mercury, and one of the most toxic metal in the world. They take between 500 and 1,000 years to disappear, and a single of these batteries can contaminate up to 3,000 liters of waters. But once we are aware of how we pollute the environment, we must seek solutions and change our habits. For example, you can reduce the consumption of things that are not really necessary, and maybe recycle all possible ways to be recycled, but by energy efficient products and low consumption like bulbs. Don't use disposable bags. Change plastic and paper bags for cotton ones. And don't mix waste at home, and make sure to use the different recycling containers correctly. So I think that if we are conscious and stand on the side of our heart, we can greatly reduce the pollution of our planet. Thank you so much.